Are you struggling to register your custom template tag library in Django? It can be really frustrating when things don't work as expected. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you follow all the instructions, and yet something still goes wrong. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Django. Let's take a closer look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why isn't my custom template tag library registering in Django?" They created an app called TagLib and followed the official documentation, but they still encountered an error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what could be going wrong here? The error message indicates that Django doesn't recognize my tags as a registered tag library. This could be due to a few common issues, such as incorrect file structure or missing configurations. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. First, the user should ensure that the TagLib app is correctly installed in the settings.py file. This is crucial for Django to recognize the app and its template tags. Next, the user needs to check the structure of the template tags directory. It should be located inside the TagLib app folder and contain the necessary files. Now, the user should confirm that the inclusion tag is correctly defined in the mytags.py file. The file name parameter should match the actual template file name. After making these checks, the user should restart the development server to ensure that any changes are applied. This is an important step to refresh the environment. Finally, the user can test loading the tag library in their template again. They should use the load statement at the top of their template file. Fun fact, did you know that Django was named after the famous jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt? Just like his music, Django aims to make web development smooth and enjoyable. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user highlights the importance of restarting the Django development server on Windows. They mention that this is necessary when creating a new template tag or modifying static files. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution from another user suggests that simply reloading the server may not resolve the issue. Instead, they recommend modifying the settings in your Django project. Specifically, in the settings.py file, you should register your custom tag library under the templates section. After making these changes, the user noted that the server restarted automatically, which helped resolve the registration issue. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your app structure organized and double-check your settings. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, your custom template tag library should be up and running. Remember, attention to detail is key in development. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.